Hello there, guys and gals. Good evening to each every one of you. I'm so hungry. Let's have some snacks. As you can see, I have here a corn and carrot and mashed potato. Meron ba itong gravy? Pwede makain konti. Thank you. Be the first one to taste, be the first one to buy. Sorry. Open your mouth, don't be shy. Love it, love it. Mm. Mm. Mashed potato. It's smoking. Mm. Guys and gals, this could be my day 21. Day 21 of not eating meat, like pork, beef, chicken. That's great. You are doing the same thing. I really admire so much each one of you. Congratulations. Keep it up. You know what, guys and gals? You will never know until Black Saturday we will finish this one, this given task of mine, our self-task. Just to give respect to the Lord, for He suffered under Pontius Pilate, crucified, died, buried. I'm also screamed. And just to redeem our souls and to save us from our sins, right? But for now,